Hey guys, Jeff Cheese Flipper here. So, I got a strategy here, a 4-step process to help you increase your eBay sales. You want to hear it? Let's get right into it. The first one, in no particular order, is if you do not have 1-day handling on your items, change to 1-day handling time. Like, why that? Well, people today are very, very impatient. They want to buy it right now and have it arrive yesterday. If you have 3-4 day handling on, they may just pass you up and even pay someone else more money for the item because they're going to get it quicker. Even if you will ship it in less than 3 days, to them it says it's going to show up in 3 to 4 days. They don't want it. They want it as fast as possible. I do 1-day handling on all my things, and most of my stuff I get it out same day. I go to the post office 6 days a week, including Saturday. Well, almost always on Saturday. Once there are occasion I can't, but yeah. Luckily for me, my post office is only about half a mile that way. So, for some of you, that may not be feasible, but if there's any possible way you can ship 1-day handling and ship 6 days, minimum 5 days a week, preferably 6, do that. I guarantee that will help get you a little more sales, because like I said, people are so impatient now. It is ridiculous. Alright, now the number 2 thing you can do to help boost your eBay sales up is double check your listings, especially some of your older ones, by checking sold listings again on all of your active items. Be sure that your item's total cost to the buyer is in the average range of sold listings. What do I mean by total cost to buyer? That will mean the total price of the item plus if you break it off for some reason, the shipping cost. Add those together. Does that equal the total average solds of that exact same item in the exact same condition? If not, you're going to have to adjust your prices, because, sorry, if the average sold price is all $24.99 on everything, and you're $24.99 plus $5 shipping, that means your item is listed at $30 and it's not going to sell. So sometimes prices fluctuate, believe it or not. So if you have some older stuff not moving, double check that. All right. Number 3, are your items in demand? Well, how do I know that? Very, very simple. You want to use math. Oh, I know, math. I thought I'd never use that stuff. And guess what? We're going to talk fractions and decimals. Sorry, I know. All that stuff from school you thought you'd never use is very, very, very useful in this case. What you're going to want to do is look up the item that you have. Look at how many are active. Write that number down. Okay? So let's say you have 1,000 active of the exact same item. Put a line across there. Now go check the sold listings for that exact item. How many sold? Let's say 100 sold. So 100 of 1,000 sold. Reduce that to a decimal point. That's going to put you at 0.1, or 10% have sold. That item isn't that good. If it's been sitting around for a while, either heavily discount it or just get rid of it, because that's not an in-demand item. When you're sourcing, you're going to look for a 0.3 or better sell-through rate, or a 30% sell-through rate. It's another way to look at it. 30% sell within that 90-day period. That and above is good. The closer to 1 you can get, or if you find one of those holy grail items that has way more demand than supply, you're going to be above a 1, believe it or not. Which means you're going to list it and boom, it's gone. In that case, jack up the price. But for your things that aren't selling, just check if they're in demand. You know, maybe you think it's cool, but no one else likes it. That's okay. You can either sit on it forever, know it's not going to sell, discount it, or just, you know, grab the ejection handle, get out of that bad item, move on to something else. I just took 4 grocery bags of stuff that used to be listed, just not worth my time. It's been sitting for too long. Even at the prices I had them down to, they weren't moving, so it was time just to get rid of them. That's from when I wasn't looking at sell-through rate that much. I was just looking at, oh, someone sold one for $60. Sweet, I'm gonna buy it. Without realizing that, hey, there were one sold and 10,000 active. Yeah. Check your sell-through rates. It's very, very important if you want fast, steady, consistent sales. There are some exceptions to sell-through rate, or if you have a long tail item where you know it's going to take forever, hopefully then it's more like there's 10 listed and one sold, not 10,000 listed and one sold. Kind of get the idea there. Maybe more of a niche market item that only one sells every year or two. Don't get too many of those unless you have tons of space and time and patience. I have some. I get sick of their faces, quite honestly. So, yeah. When your current inventory, maybe it's too late to do this, but going forward, definitely check that sell-through rate. In-demand items. It's in demand, it will sell if it's priced correctly and if it has fast shipping and handling time. That's simple. All right, the number 4 thing you can do to boost your eBay sales. Now this one may sound crazy too. Put yourself on sale. Run a sale. Now, don't run a long-term sale. Run a very, very short-term sale. What I like to do is Friday evening to Sunday evening. That's when I like it to do them. Figure out what works for you. Because to me, it seems like most people are online shopping from Friday to Sunday, at least right now. Summertime, that may change when people start going out and about on the weekends. But right now, people are sitting at home. Like, we just had some crazy snow weather here. And I had some decent sales because people are sitting at home looking at their phones and their computers bored. So what you want to do is the way I do it is I do the markdown manager based on inventory age. So what I do is I base my markdown sale based on my inventory age. The older the item is and the longer it's been in my inventory, the more I discount it. Now I will do something like 0 to 30 days, 5% off. Because, just a little bit of a boost. I'll do something like 30 to, let's say, 90 days, I'll do 10% off. A little bit more of a boost, but still stuff's kind of new. But then I'll do like 90 to like 365. So anything over like 3 months, I'll do like 15%. 365 to 2 years, I might do 20% off. Get the stuff out. It's been sitting there forever. Get it gone. And then everything older, I'm doing like 30, 35, 40%, whatever. Because I want it gone. Even if I just break even on it after a couple of years, whatever. Now, how long you've been doing this and how many months and years inventory you have may change those numbers exactly, but that's pretty much what I do. I'm really trying to, when I run those sales, my main goal, this old stuff that's right here, you can't see it, but I can. That's the stuff I want gone. And guess what? It starts popping off and moving. Because not only does that lower your price so that it becomes more attractive, people are searching by price, but sales also boost your rank in search. Not only that, there's a little something when your sale starts. Watchers or interested people a lot of times will receive a push notification to either their email or sometimes their phone saying, hey, this item you looked at is now on sale. Yeah, eBay tries to help you sell it by sending out that notification automatically for you. It's great. That's why I also want a short one, because they also get another one when the sale is about to end. When the sale is about to end, they get another one saying, the item you viewed is on sale and the sale is about to end. So they were interested once, they looked at it, maybe they forgot about it. Start your sale, boom, push notification goes to them and reminds them of your item. Oh, they might look at it again, they might buy it. Bonus for you, right? And if they don't, they put their phone down, the sale's about to end, they're going to get a second one. They're, oh yeah, I was going to buy that, I better hurry up before sales end. So people also have that FOMO, fear of missing out. When the sale's going to end, they're afraid that they're going to lose out on that deal. And they're more likely to act on that item. And that time, when you have them from that push notification, they might not even be looking at your competitors' items. They might be looking at just yours, which is even better. Because if they still want it and haven't bought one, it's a great opportunity for you to close that sale. Remember, ABC, always be closing. And also, another thing that happens is a lot of times you'll get a vast number of watchers and activity on that listing. So even if it doesn't sell, you're going to have all these opportunities to send offers to buyers. Now, I don't send those during the sale. Sale ends on Sunday. Monday afternoon, Monday evening, I go in there and I will offer to buyers. I'll offer all of them the sale price with a little message saying, one time only, we can extend a sale price to you. This is a limited offer. Act quickly. And you'd be surprised how many times, if it didn't sell in the sale, I'll then sell on Monday. It is great. Shipping out tons of stuff always feels good, and especially walking into the post office on Monday and Tuesday with that big old bucket full, you're grinning ear to ear with your sales. Just feels great. And most items that sell, you're not going to discount them enough that you're really going to notice or care. The stuff that's going to have that heavy discount is that stuff that you're so sick of looking at anyways that you're just glad it's gone. At this point, it's like, I just want to get some money out of it. Get it out of my face. I don't want to see it ever again. Push it out. Especially if you've had something in your inventory for over 2 years, you need it gone. Trust me, I have stuff. My latest right now is 2019. I have a few from 2019. I did sell my last 2018 items, so yeah, that one's gone. And anything older than that is gone, sold, or I've purged. Because that's getting a little ridiculous. So, how have your sales been doing? I've been hearing a lot of chatter online. People saying that their sales are slow right now. Amazon's going pretty good for me, but Amazon is Amazon. That's just what it does. You make sales. eBay's been okay. I haven't been working as much. In the last month, I put a lot of work into it. I got 4 bins across here, all stuff I listed last month. I have half a bin of what I've listed so far this month. Just been busy and tired, sick kid. The same old excuses I always have. How are your sales doing? Tell me down below. Make sure also that you subscribe if you like my content. Because, hey, that helps me and it helps you. And we get to chat more. I like that. Hit the thumbs up button. And you guys know what I always tell you. You got to keep on listing. Keep on selling. You have a great day. And I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.